Okay, so I'm in a utility room off the garage, and we're looking at replacing a furnace only. The air conditioner's 5 years old. It's a Comfort Maker furnace. It's actually 23 inches wide. It's sitting up on a base, and the reason for that is you can see that drain that's just to the side there. Furnace is 40 inches tall. You can see there's a 6-inch flue that's coming down, and it's feeding 3 inches to the water heater, and then there's a 3-inch flue coming down for the furnace. Everything's kind of tight in here. There's a humidifier that we've been servicing that's on the side. We've got just under a foot to work with. If we need to shut power off, there's a panel. Looks like it is labelled. Yeah, looks like furnace. So the access will be through the garage to get to this one. Being an 80% furnace with the 2 water heaters, there must be some fresh air coming in. I'm kind of struggling to see that at the moment. Underneath there is a duct that is running down. It's kind of tucked in. Coming off the top, I'm going to explore that. That may be bringing in fresh air. But yeah, we'll be just doing furnace only, 80% efficiency. That's it.